certificate program or honors certificate program today. Without wasting much time, kindly be on your feet as we commit the program into the hands of God. We shall
program at your hands. We ask thee your blessings upon this program. Right about now, as we commence to pray, the presence fill this place. Take control over the whole program and make your face shine upon it. Be thou glorified in Jesus' mighty name. And let the people of God say, Amen.
Amen. Thank you so much, Mr. Isaac. Well, so before we started the program, I started engaging some of you students, and I told you so many things. Yes. One thing that I want you to be mindful of is that
Good morning. Good morning. Vice Chancellor, Professor Pepe Mwachi, Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Deans, Directors and Heads of Departments of esteemed faculty and administrative staff, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the management of Cape Coast Technical University, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the maiden launch of Soft Skills Training Program. This initiative by management aims to practically equip our students with essential skills to enhance their personal and professional capacities, including etiquette, grooming and personal branding, confidence building and public speaking, organization and leadership, social media marketing, and computer skills. We believe that this program will not only enhance our students' employability, but also augment their career prospects by cultivating a professional online presence, develop leadership acumen and strategic thinking, enhance your personal and professional brand, promoting effective communication and collaboration. I am confident that this gathering will provide a valuable opportunity for growth, learning, and networking. So let us all work together to achieve these objectives and unlock our full potential. Thank you.
thank you so much, Professor Baya. Oh, I thought that you could do it. She's the queen of student advancing. Yes. Well, the program continues, but I would like to use this opportunity to acknowledge David G's presence, if you would permit me. Yes. And so we have the Vice Chancellor of this noble university, Professor Kweku Edichu Eyubuachi, here with us. We have Professor Nyanka, Head of Department, Construction Management Technology. We are grateful. We have Head of Department Tourism Management, Dr. Richmond Madame Lily Doe. Madame Lily Doe is the Deputy Director, Industrial Liaison. Pastor Isaac Newton helped us with an opening prayer. We are so grateful. We have Sir Rudolph. I thought you would put your hands together. Sir Rudolph, we have Sir Abigail. We have our lecturers. In fact, as the program continues, I'll be acknowledging all of them. Thank you so much. We appreciate your time with us today. And so the program continues. We just received Professor Sophia Paddy Okran giving us the purpose of gathering. Now, meeting like this is not yet complete if we do not know and we do not have the chairperson to chair the affairs of the program or to steer the program. And so we shall invite Madam Anita Ohedako to help us with the introduction of chairperson. That's right.
Dean of Students, Deans of Faculties, HODs, our lecturers, colleagues, honored participants. It is my pleasure to introduce our chairperson for today's program. The Vice Chancellor of Cape Coast Technical University. Prof brings over 20 years of experience as a lecturer, a scholar, administrator, and an entrepreneur, making him especially well-suited to lead our proceedings today. With his wealth of knowledge and expertise, we are confident that he will provide valuable leadership and direction throughout our program. Please join me, welcome our VC.
Vice Chancellor, Registrar of Cape Coast Technical University, members of University Management, deans and heads of department here present, distinguished faculty, staff, honored guests, our pilot cohort of honored students, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great joy and a deep sense of purpose that I welcome all of you to this very important gathering, which is the official launch of the Cape Coast Technical University Honors Certificate Program. Today marks a bold and forward-looking step in our collective journey to transform not only academic excellence, but also the total development of our students. Ladies and gentlemen, we live, is this mic working? I can't speak, isn't it? You can hear me? Yes. Okay. We live in a time where employers are not only looking for paper qualifications, but more importantly, for confidence, creativity, honesty, adaptability, leadership, and indeed innovation. Indeed, the slogan among recruiters these days is, we hire for attitude and train for skills. I repeat, employers these days, and I can see some leaders wanting to write, these are the leaders we want, right? This is what it's all about. I'm saying, employers these days have a slogan, we hire for attitude and we train for skills. What does that mean? What it means is that what employers are now looking for is attitude. Number one, attitude. Not the first class upper or second class, whatever it is. That one is important. But when you walk into Nestle, that you are a food scientist, there are possibly about this year across Ghana, it's likely about 4,000 or 5,000 food scientists will be graduated by the end of the year from the various institutions. What will set you apart? At CCTU, we believe we must give our clients, that is you, the students, a unique competitive advantage by providing education which goes beyond the classroom and laboratories. Our brand of education here at CCTU seeks to prepare you to speak up with clarity, and here I'm talking of grammar, subject, verb, agreement, English, to lead with integrity, and to present yourselves with confidence in every space that you find yourselves in. With your permission, I want to read a letter that I received from an employer. I'll just pick snippets of it, because at the time we're putting this together, this employer who attended Kumasi Technical University is a senior engineer with a multinational company, decided to write a letter to me as the Vice Chancellor, commenting on our students who come to his facility for attachment. And he puts it under 5 areas. Internship goals, formal writing. Listen to what he said. Over the years with intern, and it's not just CCTU, it's across the country, I have insisted that responses to assignments and other feedback be communicated through email. It is regrettable to state that these students do not in any way know how to work with emails. Again, their writing skills require more attention. On many occasions, students have been asked to provide reports after their internship. This has always been a battle. They argue that the school does not require a report for internship, hence the difficulty. And then he said that when students even have finally been cajoled to send the report, they send the report as an attachment, no heading, nothing, no salutation, pam. Formal language. It was realized that from the numerous emails over the years, that students on attachment do not know when to discontinue social media language and formal language. This is from a potential employer, right? There is the constant use of shorthand. Before will be written before. Informal communication and poor realization of subject-verb agreement. The boys us instead of the boys have. She has. It's what it should be. It's not she have. Even informal communication. Presentations. We try to give tasks to students on internship to test their understanding of what they have learned. It turns out that they struggle with presentation. True or false? I was once told by a crop of interns that they struggle with it because they do not undertake such activities in school. Appearance. Interns, particularly males. My men, are you there? No, are you there? Yes. Often come to the office, especially when there are no site activities, with saggy trousers, with untucked tops. I have had to remind them almost all the time to dress appropriately during office hours. It is recommended that a dress code policy, blah, blah, blah. We are going to issue a dress code soon. And it's not a uniform, don't worry. So at CCTU, ladies and gentlemen, we believe we must give our clients unique competitive advantage Our brand of education seeks to prepare students to speak up with clarity, like I've said. It is against this philosophical background that the Academic Board and Council magnanimously approved this year's Honours Certificate Program on a pilot basis as an immediate remedy to the perennial complaints from industry and students themselves that our graduates are technically competent. Clap for yourselves. You know the stuff. You know your engineering. You know your tourism. But are not industry ready. This Honours Certificate Program we launched today reflects our university's strategic commitment to holistic education as captured in our vision. This pilot program is focused on soft skills, calculated or curated to offer practical, relevant, and transformative training in the following areas that Dean has so eloquently read. Confidence building and public speaking. I'm even looking at how you are sitting now. By the end of this program, you know how to sit confidently. Social media marketing, organizational leadership, CV writing and interview skills, computer skills, etiquette, grooming, and personal branding. There was a story, and it's a true story, of two people who were going for an executive interview. They had finished about 5 rounds of elimination. The last interview was with a dinner with the CEO. That's an interview. So they are watching. How will you use the fork, knife, and spoon that have been placed there? How will you sit at the dinner table? Do you even know the different types of spoons to be used? This is what is making the people who study abroad different. The content you have, I tell you, is richer than abroad. It's richer. I've taught there before as a Fulbright scholar. I know what I'm talking about. What we are teaching, we were teaching undergraduate here. We were teaching as postgraduate there. But you see, when you graduate and you walk to the interview, or even you are running your own business, coming from me. When you are running your own business, the level of confidence is what will make the difference. Packaging. As a friend always says, packaging is important. That is why we don't sell perfume in gallons. Right? Do we sell perfume in gallons? 4 gallons, then perfume? No. The bottle itself is attractive. Upon completion and evaluation, we intend to mainstream this program into CCTU academic programs in the coming academic year. And it will be a mandatory academic requirement. If you don't pass the soft skills program, if you don't pass the honors program, you will not graduate. Management commends the Academic Board and Council for approving this concept, and more importantly, a dedicated team that has worked hard behind the scenes. Madam Anita, Dean of Students, and all who have been involved. The Guidance and Counseling Unit, Dean of Student Affairs, Office of the Registrar, faculty members, and all supporting staff for their unwavering commitment to this vision. To our students, I say congratulations on being selected. Even the recruitment method was training in itself. When we're putting this together, I told Madam Anita, put it out as an email. I believe you all responded to the email. You all responded to the call. That itself shows that we are ready to be excellent. So clap for yourself. We agreed that the first 30 respondents to our call will be selected. That's what we agreed. And it was based on time. You have therefore passed the first test of leadership, which is taking initiative. Clap for yourself. Please, grab this opportunity with both hands. It is your chance to stand out, to go beyond your academic transcripts and develop soft skills that will shape your future. as we launch this program today, let it be known that Cape Coast Technical University continues to rise, not just as a hub of academic excellence, but as a nurturing ground for well-rounded, confident, and industry-ready graduates. Let me conclude by thanking everyone present here today. Your presence, particularly faculty members, signifies your shared belief in a better, stronger, and more responsive university system. Let us continue to be intentionally excellent, both at the individual and institutional levels, to move CCTU from good to great. Say it after me, CCTU.
CCTU.
From good to great.
From good to great.
We are good, but we want to move to
great.
And all of us have a role to play. We in management, faculty, and your good self. So let's have that at the back of our mind. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I officially declare the CCTU Honor Program duly launched. May this new program be successful, impactful, and long-lasting. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much, Professor Pepu Eyu Buachi, the Vice Chancellor of Cape Coast Technical University. I thought that we could do better. We said we should be intentional in acquiring soft skills, because that's what the industry demands in this era. And so count yourself privileged if you are here. We can do it better once again. Let me say thank you once again to all management, academic board, students, staff for making this program become a reality today. DJ, can you give us a musical interlude?
Very much. I want to stand on the already protocol established to present the facilitators for this program. Prof. Chair, may I be permitted? Thank you so much. We have in our midst Mr. Isaac Kujo Isel, who is a highly experienced person with a strong academic and professional background in both accounting and information technology. He holds an MPhil in accounting and MSc in information technology and computer science from India. A BTech in accountancy with a computing diploma in computerized accounting and a diploma in administrative computing, but is a guru in computing. Above all, he holds a certificate as a junior cybersecurity analyst.
Wow.
Been actively assisting in teaching ICT-related courses at both diploma and degree levels at CCTU for the past 5 years. He also served as a computer lab assistant at the university. His areas of expertise include advanced Microsoft Excel, MS Word, MS Access, MS Accounting Software, Database Management PowerPoint, and several other digital tools essential for academic and professional productivity. Our next facilitator is Mr. Rudolph Asmeni. Please kindly step forward. Thank you. He's a shy person. He is a dedicated lecturer at the marketing department of over 11 years of teaching experience in the field of marketing. For the past 8 years, his academic focus has been on digital and internet marketing, equipping students with practical knowledge and skills in key areas such as content marketing, social media marketing, and search engine marketing. Through his engagement teaching approach and deep understanding of the digital landscape, he has consistently empowered students to navigate and excel in today's dynamic marketing environment. It is We have the best, Charlie. Our next facilitator is Mr. Evans W. Who is also a dedicated and passionate lecturer at the Department of Marketing with over 6 years teaching experience in the field of marketing. For the last 3 years, his academic focus has been on marketing management and political marketing, empowering students with knowledge and skills in areas such as leadership, time management, and organizational politics. With his approach to knowledge transfer to students, he has steadily equipped students to thrive in today's business landscape. In fact, is going to deliver as well. He's going to be in charge of organization and leadership. Our next facilitator is not here. She's engaged somewhere else, but she will make herself available. It's no other person than Honorable Barbara Shanti, who has been a former CEO of President Barbara Shanti Foundation, and also former tutor of Wesley Jobs. He's so eloquent, and her passion for communication skills is very excellent. He holds MPhil English Literature from UCC, currently a PhD candidate. Her passion is for etiquette, grooming, and personal branding will go a long way to shape you for the preferred choice for the job market. So, participants, these are very passionate facilitators that will really go a long way to help you shape your lives for the job market.
Thank you so much, Professor Sophia Paddy Okran. So now we know our facilitators and we know our student participants as well. All too soon we are about drawing the curtains for the launch of Honor Certificate Program today. But we started with an opening. Yes, the chair gave us a very insightful address. Now we are about to close. We need to go so that you close us. So please let's invite them.
That's where the danger normally goes. Talk by heart. But I think I want to commend once again the organizers for this. I'm excited by the profile of facilitators that have been assembled. So it's all up to you, my dear. I can call you grandchildren because I'm with you. I hope Madam Sophia and Madam Anita told you that this is a very high class training you're getting. So your appearance, how you show up, is important. Your dressing for these sessions. Your punctuality is very important. And how regular you are is important. In fact, we've said that anybody who drops 2, right? Anybody who drops 2 of the sessions will be out of the program. Because we plan to present you on the 29th of November, when we are having our congregation. We'll present your certificates to you there to make a big statement. So please, on that day, let me foreshadow. I don't want to see academic gown and kaftan. You see, this part of the grooming we are teaching. Every dress code has its language. Just as you can't wear shoe with kente. Similarly, it is wrong to wear an academic gown with sandals or kaftan, as we see during the graduation. So you are a new breed. You are the latest, where we want CCTU to go. You are the great now. Already we are good. But our slogan says from good to. So you are the great. your dressing, your posturing, who you are, how you show up, how you represent yourself is very important. So on that note, without much ado, we want to say thank you for coming, and I'm excited. I'll be popping in to come and check on what is going on. And we believe that, I believe in the curriculum there is project work. They will not be the written one, but they will be given an assignment to present. And I can't wait. I can't wait to see how best we can. If there's some small budget involved, management will pick it up so that we can support them to do life-changing projects that we can document and project as born in and made in CCTU. Thank you very much.
And there is a good news right now. Wow. Clap for yourself. Our doctor Nyabua has promised that on the day of graduation, he will give an award to the best graduating student. So I knew that there is something to compete.
Make it two.
Hey!
I will give an award for the most innovative presentation.
Okay. I think that we are on a good start, and if we take it serious, you will go far. On that note, we don't want to encourage you to get emails if you don't have.
They have. I'm telling them they have.
So by close of Friday, you have to send all the emails to the platforms we are all on. Send them.
And please, there are student emails, because I'm reliably informed every CCTU student has an email, and it's in your portal. So we are not using personal emails.
Yes, so go back. If you have a challenge, see the ICT, they will assist you. You get it, you have, send them to the platforms that you are all on. And then we will send every information. We will send every information through your email. So we are starting from this week. And the timetable still will come through your emails. All right, thank you.
These heads of department, lecturers, and all other protocol observed, I have the privilege to introduce the shortlisted students for this honoring certificate program. I will urge all the students that when you hear your name, then you be on your feet. Thank you.
Full size.
Osman Seidu, HME3 Building Technology. Linda Bay, Vitek Procurement. Christopher Bodu, HME3 Building Technology. Mercy Oredu Ajawa, Vitek Mechanical. Christabel Na Ajele Doku, Vitek Full Size.
Ababaka Sawa CCTU, Cape Coast Technical University. Yamana de Fitida, what power you would be the Hotam Sunko or year fair 2025 fair, career fair no. Jumadi next year upon no pay no down no Abba Mother Akanitaze Ashe, as about one or your school Mezza Mother Fair to Pona Quami. Ya, yes, or the same fee, Yabo Mother if you so you to me, I shall so there. I can't you to me to you to Conapa Abba Boam Henadachi to me. It is our overture him biaran, you will use some more than if you to me out him. Say Sarah fitty and an answer what the Mezi Utomopamono. As Sanzi, or yet the penny bass at the penum, and I was my bassage with this one, Etma Waza. Wafa is your ponumu adusia for binum, de more than if you want to know one tana say if you want to Mosiati. Ye, Jumedusson, and say, or ye Dean of Students, Bra, Costa TV, Education Command, the Automotive mind there. wabo mazen etisi enyi afro school fi binema wabo hunanum edosa na ho fundament team enti yen a aya adusuafo ne binum yen boy twonkomo na ya hwede ana adwenboa da obo mazen afi damdwumezi odon ho aka na afi tuma abo ne dachi na no motusu etume awie pay iziniti Omar bin Abdallah meyemunia Francis na meyeno ha ebabo ma yen komazin etume awie pay ama wo so ye hwe yin na wo fie no etume na ahwezo otumaro kodo onem bojo ford
your friend Alex Ampedu Ado
Alex Apome
Nyamena Adom one say
Nyamena Adom if you have a code in the school
me ekwapimni
nti abesu ye nhwa hin na
me 4th year ni
no 4th year jumeza wotuma apota foforo aboboa no anya abegumeti senti benta wo so abaka
yete de na wo bode we de jumezi oye ana certificate program no orobado nti awa epede ebeye bi be fankrata nti ayin me kan na wo fankrata no na nyame adom so waton safre na embre na so nti emra na embosia nti dem not
alas ye bisede ana wodan krata gu apono do de nazama mafankrata anya do pede baka ka fankrata ni yima azare kwa kai anti da kaka wana
initially nize mete no na min shada anyim as a potia na because work there is for final year students. Into final year students, you know, our area final year and able to make offer in Krata be them na wash share program be my end or Robado.
Nti yehwa demo program what mo ahye yen nti there wo se omamon or your grooming or your nchechere dema so na omamon leadership skills social media marketing opinion keke are you aware another agitum na dem zame here obobodo mo butu mo juna
me aware pa de obobodo am adwumezi nya achende within 6 weeks no wo be che ndam adwumezi nyinara
demo adwumezi wo gi usika ansa na eba abakan another
da bi wan gi enska biara
nti o yusum na demo busum esiana depending esiana wotu mo kan no ebu wiere no na abayimizi na apedma aka wotu
obotuma boy me ya tro yen CV ye obotuma boy ma ye ne nkofo nketanwuzi we gina ye obotuma boy ma nzama bia ye no so yetuma publish with social media marketing. The social media marketing ejizire ibutumi akwa na yim sisi Ghana bebe yitumi kwa na wiazi bebe yitumi yim sisi bebe wiazi na kodun bibia social media nti se enyima ebekechi bibia woton no social media bibia wa ye social media ya na sisi awa be ye wa be kan ye ho sisi a
Alex wo ka ke bebe chira oye wonuanom a dem dwumezi wan fo ho anka won na hono wa ye first timers a wo de ho hye dwumezi ba sa na bega chira
maka chawande damajumezi awazaban omo de wo paw nkofo 30 there 1 year but say next time be say was a communication be about today one pick forms na say program be about o mayenya yembom na yenko pick simple wo number of students awobefa onam de ya broda na de ya doso nti obetuma consider no wa ya ma student nyinara na onye nkofo ku kakra because still why man kofuku kakrebia aina ye record final years and yen to benefit more na azunsa wa eche no obobo bibia nti se yen nyina ye de ye hu hyema nka obobo yen nyina
ala se dem nkita huzi a adon ho abesemi ejizira agba ebushia farm there da empempre oban there or nka ye photocopy bi nka ye printing bi nka search bi agba ebushia farm there dem gbeju se ho ahima na da abo on top wa
o maka chem papa
na no so akabe
because the main amount na musia no obobom
Alex you be better was papa
mas me dawase
right yenu nua Alex na wotum na wabo oye na amenjani e won yusum de enchera ba pi wo ha a won so ihe bobo nkomo na won so ya hwe oye ho yusum wo ye de medwumedwum ye dan won ba bi na yakohina yim na ya hwe nkafo no tum ihe wa atwe nkomo kebo ne tira so kra ne si ya ba oye ehiepono mcha CCTU da medwumedu sonko oye VC nara oye ne mpanyimfo ne dean of students oye Professor Sophia oye ne mpanyimfo abano de oye adusuafo e de sanazo bobo mazi na efi wodramenti tine etum exam on kini sa kan ya kire bibo so yekwa twetwe nkomo senti pa kura odon ho akaka dwumedwe ho na aba ho bo so no wotum oye blessing good afternoon what you apom here apart from Brofo France, how about society?
Meetings, my bami fluent.
In terms of my food theory, I do each
Icha maha.
Are you sure? Assurance, which am I? Right,
yes, sure.
Young share school happy. If you don't hear it, how many years now spend in school?
Okay, to me 40 years na me woman.
About course in there.
For me, food science and post-harvest technology.
40 way into Aka Bushman here in Fahin to make school.
Okay, in Tiaka 3 months na me here.
The 3 months you tell you, but then I said, don't want to share the medication. What more about you? About the period issue with me.
Okay. You made you no. You who ne link no last semester. Before I ever my quantity, na ye join there. Ye be answer na ya kufie. But woma yet as there. Ye require answer na ya babe. Nti ye be no so now we didn't know how the program would be. Ti ye be na answer na wama ye nyanti as the program no. Obe take 6 weeks. Na ye dia na. Nyoma bebre so bokodo, and at the end of it so wabema awards, that is the best graduate students from the program.
How prepared are you? The program.
Okay, for now I'm fully prepared to participate in the program because you call launching program no. In some of VC na ne nkrofo ken no ama menya a motivation there. If I participate fully, so at least I'll get more knowledge about what they are come to teach us.
Blessing, when you talk about grooming, well, you know how to groom yourself, how to move, whatever you're supposed to. You know how to do it. Why are they essential for? I bet for the operation and then the minimum operation.
Okay, grooming, no, yeah, a whole lot of grooming. And yeah, it's not no. For example, me home economics, LSHS, into what and table etiquette. I be how to use the fork and knife anyway, but maybe by university no mean yeah home econs libium into some things are there me feel and how to sit say public places how you sit, how to greet people and stuff, you know. Meaning that them program where about buam now I equip him to gain more knowledge on it. Them Robeya, if that be will invite me for bigger conferences, so I can join them too.
You were also say leadership skills. I couldn't but for that. It's the banner about Mazin if you to dom etumazi. Now, in terms of that, you know, I've been to me, I got to the leadership skills and all of Mutumusia. Was our social media marketing. No, so Ababa come that way to me. Was this a child another? Who be social media? Why the person should become?
Okay, into leadership skills, no, I have a whole lot of leadership role. Me play. For example, me own products Meton. Into no, very soon the small company no, it will become a bigger company. I will employ people. Until when I employ people, my leadership skills will take a keen role in that company. And so I want to gain more knowledge about the leadership skills. Them Robeya how to relate with my employees and other people, and with the marketing too. Though I sell online, I go to hostels and other things, but I still need more knowledge on marketing because me dream there may post I do on my WhatsApp status, but there are something peculiar I needed to add so that it be attractive. Microphone, so when we do this thing, yet it will help.
How prepared? You say you are prepared. How prepared and ready for this program in terms of the limitation? 6 weeks. Are you sure that the men's
Okay, so for now, I might say I'm fully prepared because our timetable for the program will soon be out into Oba, and I'm sure it's not going to clash with our classes. hint if it doesn't clash with our classes, I can attend all the classes, join the program. No, now I'll make sure there I'll participate in all the activities. Them Robert, the me them achieve from the program. No, me so better my achieve. So I'm eagerly waiting to gain those knowledge from there.
About some of the catch all young far, one for one program. I can be got you on about some of the
Okay, me uncle for and I mean I know my one for one shame no. May encourage you one day. If you see any link going viral, another anything in your platforms, try and apply or try and open that link, because you don't know where you get your opportunity. Obama also abe nipa abe ye wo omani mu. The program where no I didn't have any idea about it, but I applied. Until I applied, so launching now my idea there, it entails a whole lot of things.
Bless you, brothers.
Okay, Mr.
Church and Samino za wire crowd za wire ready the bring boka where see no honda obo mazin biara kwan biara no obo mazin afi go tum na wo suaze no ana wotum no abono send aka aya bosume ba sa da motum oken no the fi campus wa benefici aya opportunity come back once nta kwan biara no obo mazin afi oto ho etuma asem mesi e ba fra aya adusuafo pi yetun yin atwonkomo nti Kenda you was my baby, na yen shede, Gafo to Munaka, no so, yes, I put my account, not in what to my chunkum. Isn't can a bonnet to that so chrono, I just your phone a good eye on chunkum, or the pen is senior Jumiza, war babies, why is upon the material CCTU, into inside Kabimusa to my own chunkum, aqua name, nay share, considering how prepared they are, which our bomb the menu do so create to me area pair. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Pacha from Emilia Adi.
Emilia, Tunisia and Upahotami, where your school at campus. How prepared are you there for the
Okay. First of all, meda managers ni organizers nase. Somebody program way abba. I every students, especially final year students, a year call outside I page ma. So now me programming about soft skills and anami who is courses na a woman who said no, it's something I me especially I'm in the business field. Me a co-founder of BioWaxGan and me here skills we na abua me business here. Into me who and I'm who said nah, it's something that I'm supposed to be involved in it. And so I was really prepared for this program. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, I understand. Yes, courses are for grooming, media marketing, and the rest. You have been grooming yourself already, so why are you learning more grooming about this?
Education is not just something so already send me grooming me home, but I have to learn more. All those who may see be more so you're near my baby or maybe Messia and yes, means and I say, oh, I say means here. Into a year, mamma say means grooming, and especially digital marketing and confidence. I say me building my confidence because me training for I'm also supposed to build myself very well and son I meet me a training for and say here me pa.
Yes, and the door to me. Are you sure that it's not you from here able to me? Say to my camera, also that to my
Pacho Anne program is 6 weeks program. Ebe boy, inti for me already my timetable kama program me the dada kra sana. Inti ebe boy me pa and meet me the abuan for because se me prepare me who here and I meet me a prepare for so ye pa.
Okay, so there, a bus school there, if you do this school, she said, adapt have you informed your parents about the family and the man according to my son from I'm a fear and one car or your bus.
Ane, my parents don't know away, Yama me o school Mohabia. Me catch from so me program where a young day because Omunim me pa and Omunim Yama meets me aye. Into Omunim say program your way, Omokomo shame and crying say, me so muye na like. Minya certificates na beboa me especially CV na ye tronko for bebre na nim se na HC already na minim here but there are some certain things be arrangements be o CV ma me hu ye and na me catch me parents no so ade e beboa me ti me fa ni serious na da che beboa me
Anita yan share there anamra yetum yetu o ye damage medicine kun hu it's a brand pay for damage medicine e wo yusum damage medicine obokodo wa ye another wi ahonara oda ukọ
Pacho, Dabio, me twaso, me my business that into me area. I'm also going to train other people. Omunis has skills to movie. Into idea is going to be a cycle all around to help people. Into any idea say we na no. It's something that you catch and call for outside. So this is something I be born into omombe participate in programs be say or campus as say intenya dey be jai kokra
abade 1 year 2 years 3 years I go 4th year
5 years
5 years hey if the campus had them want to change how do you see
oh for campus CCTU is the best. I always tell my colleagues UCC say when you talk about technical university, Cape Coast Technical University is the best. People always, in fact, students, they don't really know the relevance of the school until someone go outside and say, "Me hunyama bebre transformative system about since 5 years ni." And anyama bebre assessor. And at this year, especially programs I hear this year, Edibwa school no, and Edibwa students ne idea so ini. It's the management, especially vice chancellor ni pro-vice chancellor. Omo into to your my yafa program see omo dey share school ya sepa like idea so inipa and boy ma school ni kwechi ama sisi amit minya bold confidence to even compete with the other traditional universities also because me cause I mean omo compete ni ama currently I even went to page and then they realized I'm from CCTU omo kane omo say a technical university unta GD na me nkwana na me CCTU student am koya who say na this time around the school is really changing the individuals in the school into idea school na sesapa
Anita yan shazi bi Ghana yaji o se yen prene mama safun jibano wo ye dwumedi pii but the same also almost the banner ne behavior change as some nakasa na no hu so bana bi ontuma ne dey are you sure that by 20 years ahead of us 25 years ahead of us the gender equality no abutuma ye mama mba na etuma ko so
I know they 100% gender equality idea omu push Ghana ye na idea eboa because ema niama etumpon in terms say emema I know they will be a bit me agia to say they make and I want to bit me testify to that. And say idea even 10 years, 5 years to come. Women empowerment in Ghana is really going to help the economy, especially Ghana and most of the institutions. If they have women-led organizations, women-led businesses, a bit more economy ni pa ma bibia sesa Ghana.
Anita, you go to Ghana marriage or your about futurism or your program next
and they make me a catch them say the one from one shame or my holiday. Now so there's always a next time and then as a visit in a kind program where I don't been every year, so they have the opportunity to join. Even though man joined this year, next year they have the opportunity to join. And then even though this year community and join, they have all the tools around them. AI is there, their phones are there, social media, all the tools around them, so they can still learn on their own. Say maybe omo person mo nsia digital marketing, omo person mo hu say no me build your confidence, omo person mo hu say no me build your everything is online. They can still train themselves whilst they are waiting for next year program. And I encourage them, say next year, application, but they shouldn't just go by. They should just go closer to the table and our omumba office on so that they come and register and then make sure they take part because certificates na being here and find some more outside maybe some say do they have any skill. They have a proof to show to them that this is what they have and then this is what they've acquired. And so I'll encourage them that they should try their best to join next year's program or any program that relates to soft skills anywhere.
And it's about that. Yo, I need to let you know I'm crying about your sister. Your sister sort of bon come on if you to me share how prepared she is. Nephew or to now, I don't know how she or the museum. Make out there you were your CCTU. A hand you were in other addition for Bilmutum come on far. Are you Jumeza? What the pen is see to me so double Mazin if you were to know why never fear to Nabo. Anita Ababaka and Soho. Isn't it Omar bin Abdullah? Young queen name.
Good afternoon. But I am an admiral. Was say. Well, from Alexandra, Yosin.
Alexandra, Yosin. Why do you choose to come to CCTU?
Okay, so CCTU was recommended by someone to me that they are good when it comes to practical field. So I am here reading fashion design and textile studies, and indeed, I recommended maybe because we have intense practical sections that will improve you on your practicals that you've chosen to learn.
The means something here, that's here to make the obey, if you do not hear me to know how sure that medicine
CC, I'm going final year, that is the 4th year on CCTU campus. Mobile level 100, not minimum as a pump. I came to learn, and maybe you know. Ebinu mo ha oba class oba to the war pama on pedobosia opede or yes or no pay but maybe bibia wo be amazing hu shame. And today I have a brand on my own that I'm still projecting. So I believe that say eba hade na say wakade ye dey na ye ye watch your day na ekufie koto yodo na esunya nye de wosia or class na eje math because when you come here the practicals is very intensive. For that one is for sure. To ono normal otum bo mama so metum mesia mesma wopamaze mesma wo ye tam mesma wo design internaze masisi amaso maze ye me business.
Then share additional mission at a cheerful try with more. I assure that I with the love, the gestures and pictures of them, of why, such a beginner class or to know child will be the one who send a corner of communication to know before. It's a house show, the edges there at the cheerful try with more training to
Okay, I mean, maybe so far I haven't had any bad experience with any of the lecturers, and lecturers at our campus they are very friendly. When it comes to academics, personal relations, they are very good. And Oban as a tremusa say what tries to do baby a wotum will be sa yena students yet na why one oh ebi as a match tasana the entire will make sure that nipadudu bi our class one wotum watch as a watch us na watch ni ama azusiano so wetum akonenyo o sanda so charge na se nipa kumpo ntasa onto montuedo oche class ne bechi. So they have friendly ways that they use in teaching the students.
Asaba, I'm an answer in the lunch. We want to start the meeting. How do you see to make the meeting about the PSC?
Oh, okay. Inti was it them Jumezi was about 2 AM platforms na zedono. Program outlines I was a bay courses I was a bay they were better that is grooming, branding, social marketing and name kikahono. Make sure courses na obotumo abuam because I'm a simple me an entrepreneur on my own. So I have to build myself. Or the mutuminya them akukudrina was ijina edomenyim zeton yene juma mes ma yenjuma no siwako. And when we talk about branding no mes able to my brand on one ekojina baby nebo na obi botum ezidase de inyo wasumpo eden ewo ho a wejuma no eden okodo intimate no na me say 6 weeks isn't that bad even though it wasn't part of my plans for the 4 years. But I think the classes are going to be held on weekends. In time, my schedule to fit in the classes on weekends so that Mutuma achieve them courses, as part of even my CV, to build my CV. Yes, so that was why I accepted to join this particular program.
You mentioned of grooming. You have groomed yourself as since the one I was school. What difference?
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. When even though them are school and I've been groomed in several ways, education has no limit and education has no end. And I have to take in more knowledge as part of what I am being taught on campus. International Kawantina meji tum de missing and them course the saving.
How prepared are you in terms of money, in terms of photocopy, the communication to the family? That was my judgment.
Okay, so personally, I told my mom and my sister about it, and when they heard that it's going to be a certificate program, they agreed because it's going to build on our CV. And for preparations in the practical field, and we are in our final year, things are not that easy, but since the class is going to be on weekends, I'll be able to merge it into my schedule and make time for it. Oh, Washa the case of Papa was Sunday, Impo, even with the lunch and Nompono, we were able to learn certain things that it's in a classroom, Erenti and Nade, and Timpodo lecture be abodo. And this is just the first start of this program. There are going to be other sessions that are going to come as we move forward. Into catch one was in nature in there's a opportunity be badea, they should just grab it. And in as much as they weren't able to join us, they can even see those who joined the program to teach them what they learned, or probably they can even learn from online what the courses that we've been taught.
It has to be. Dama you good aya adusua for chonchon komo fa oye adusua wotumu se no oye school ha no e kira anamura wotumu tu naza wotumu ye the agent can aboneti aresokwa deda enne opa da madwumedi so nko hotam da penesia na wotum na wodidi oye da madwumedi aboboa ma adusua tum na akodo na teso tum akodo na ya menhire oya adusua funu ya san ne oka wo fie den fie ba san obizin wo han fie an na obizin wo fie num ana obizin wo ha na so mpempe da madwumedi tum abai odo ho ahyem so opportunity kan ba to asen yin panya no ho nsatum na oka achira ba good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yami
adum na also. Emmanuela Mima unyo atifu. Bacho da bi ahunini. Bacho ni.
Now we are doing
Bacho mi.
Abi oyan wen.
Unfortunately, me name greetings no.
Nti kasa no sense bra.
O kasa no de meti ba nchia na zi.
Nti actually special o ya we.
Eh, on no yen kasa.
Andama. Actually special. I am going
to
Yo, Martin. Yakunayima, Emmanuela, why do you join? I didn't say I can't damage me with me. The penny is yet. I don't say
Patrol, that's there, some them are asking me. Otia Bako, and I do can. Yeah, me fancy share down, yeah, okay, but Tim Beffer. So, first of all, no, me who fly, I know all over campus, Namso. A nice opportunity for me to grab so many skills. I'm saying me pay computer stuff. I really like computer works. Into no me who do obey social marketing, computer skills programs, and confidence. I'm confident, but not that much. So me who program courses obey offer. No, I'm say we do a nice opportunity. Say I won't break a neck to join her, and it's a free opportunity. Then let me grab it and I'm joining. On internet, I'm joining.
A boy grooming, a boy social media marketing. Grooming. You have been grooming yourself since Abba or University High to So why are you going to learn under grooming?
Well, yes, I've been grooming myself personally, but I don't really know what this program is, the grooming they want to teach us is about. So I really want to learn more, which I know definitely it will help me in my years of life. Yes, so I just...
Emmanuel, you share all your social media marketing. Are you to make a person? Share individually. We have found a business or to so far as one business in terms of social media marketing, what shall say? Why there, Jamaica school on Chebamifi campus and more or Damoko,
okay, so urban social media marketing now. Magasin, my friend be me marketing business man WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram now. So should I say I'll be answering, but we work at our best trainer. I really want to see what I'm lacking and what I'm doing well to balance the equation. So that me who they be and you may be what me or either me, and you may be what me or them ye, na me any ye. On this is not me better.
Well, like young share school, the one about cancer, school, no more than boy at the China this year.
Oh, maybe car had the school honey at the China Bibia, Okoduye, Okodo as expected. Because schools be a home part lectures in the couple and ya in burn for one someone didn't come another a bill what the structure woman there ain't to me a chance in poem bound by most of the lectures on campus are all I'm department today. They are all friendly and then easy to access anytime, any day.
About some na catch a bush of mobile school is our bay. That paint papers, to the man and money, and care research, and care them. How are they also prepared to support you in this 6 weeks program?
Okay, so this 6 weeks program, to be honest, me share that country me busiafo. But yes, I was planning to tell them today because yes, me can't show them. Into no, and then I make my wire away. But me did so there, so me way aware. One in your bedroom day, ma made to an amount I join the program we. And when in your bedroom day, at least in your baby record of campus and them wash. Oh, make it sure they've missed a lot. But meeting was the annual program. So as time goes on, I want to went to man join the CCTU. But so I join later. And they shouldn't miss out on any opportunity that comes on campus. They should always grab it.
Eba de Manuel asi osana no so aboa monkomo twetwe etum na akodo ye pede ye sabaka oye hene VC the vice chancellor na etum na ye na bonkomo afa imprempre de medwumeda ahoro wotum da ababoto be na ye san kan eze ye retwen da is obotum be sibiara mama nazema of be to be wodi oye hono mfiri ahoro to oye Costa TV etum ne enye twen honhom na aboa ma de medwumedi biara yetum yitu no han etum na ye pe ye na ye wemra. It's Yaminadum Yabakas or CCTU, and there you made the Fufra, Wotumna, Opahotam Dama, is in Kakwa no, but the two filas, the Wotumabua, more for to be an etum nequim. Yabakoria bo, or Yahini VC, now bad papa, Professor Educhum, Dorfber to Berno, Abo school in school netum edum pempensa, Sister Hendamepi, etum na adide, CCTU, Fitabro tomorrow bars or tomorrow queen papa, Yeshoya, Hina, and for her, you who are lecture theaters ahorowa of bread to be nuanum ba na fi babusua oye nzama the master you lecture theater na chiri so a ne so workshop ahorowa wotum no dohunu djuma the master oye heyim hey ne so fashion department of bread to be no awon so baba cancer na fi wotum no wosua ati ehwe nuanum wotum ba na che wakọ oye adusua ekusua chechefo etumra ye hona afemizi a wotum wa kire ho me se wosana wa kire aka de hona ho na emie kuma ba bi wasa ho kire etuma ba the master ne metiri ye oye old administration block of Breton no oba mazina fi adusua achechefo mpefo wotum na oka hunu chanze na fi wotum na wodzin komo of Breton ebobo ho ansa na etum na akwayim the man so ehwe ho ceremonial ground na anana oya da pene baasa anana na abaso no kwan oba mazina fi wodi trade fair 2025 oya carry trade fair no so otum na okodo nti epe oya CCTU wa dwumedi pii nya na etum akoda adusua wotum sua ha no tum droso ahona woda hunu nsa tum djuma wora pamaze infira ho cars na hyehyɛ na pinya okeke ho na abafu yansa ba ko infira ho a edidi juma wo social media ho ana wa bɔnwaze na fi wotum na cheche fo ho wotum wo kyerɛ nti wo yisum de sɛ wo fia a etumerite hina na de biara ɛyɛ school yi awia ɛyɛ senior high school bɔnwaze na ahyɛ ne so de Ghana sabi mpemfo se won fa baba ntaze za wobutum da tan de bɔnwaze ahyɛ ne so de ofibere tobere no esua azebi osenne anamara etumerite no yetu anamara hine da akyɛ wobutum awie da akyɛ abaze na yetum epe sika na yetum epe ama ya bɔnwaze fi etum etum akwayi aha na eti dwumezi ne haye bi si ebeda aya adusua fa bɔnwaze yotwe nkɔmɔ ebeda wansa papa the wuji tum there the pen is esia dwumezi wo don ho ahyem na waje atum so wo kosa TV etum ayetwe nkɔmɔ ebeda wansa papa sonko da wa bɔnwaze na fi wotum no wotu ɔyɛ dema anamare na sonko bɔkwa ama ɔyɛ Anita ɔyɛ the counselor of betubere no ɔyɛ council unit ɔboy me ɔyɛ adusua nyina yinsa tum kan ebeda Anita as papa the master of Professor Sophia no say ebeda na as papa Professor Kwamina Banfu Eje no say ebeda na as papa then no so otum no of betubere tum ɔboy the master hine VC ɔyɛ Professor Educhum no say ebeda na as ankasa de biara otum no ɔboy na nazamba of betubere no ɔbɔmaze na ɔhwe ɔyɛ Costa TV Mesenesi Omar bin Abdallah Mayemonia Francis Naba Boboye ma oye mbabe mi hiara nkomotwe ya atumo kodo yankobon shaw de biara wo so tumo oye Costa TV ma oye de monetei emma na hwa maje se wonye ma henowa bye bye.
Their counseling units to the launch